So today we're going to start talking about translating from an algebraic expression or equation to a verbal expression or equation. These are some of the most common used words that we'll see. These all mean addition. Sum is usually inside parentheses. And addition would be inside. More than is addition, but you change order. Or switch. For difference, this is subtraction within parentheses, and less than is also when we're in change order. Quotient can be division within parentheses. Half means divide by 2. And 2/3 would be your fraction. These mean multiplication. Double would be 2 times, and twice is also 2 times. Our equal sign is an equals. When we see our absolute value bar, we usually say absolute value of, and then whatever's inside. Square root of whatever, cube root of whatever, a number squared or the square of a number, and a number cubed or the cube of a number. So we're looking at some examples, and there's lots of different ways that you could decide to write the algebra into words. We could write here, have a number increase by 3. So that would be one example. We could also do just a number plus 3. Would be another example. Here, we could do twice a number. Increase by 3. Down here, we have to be very careful because we have parentheses, so we have to use the word sum here. So we can say 2 times, because we know it's 2 times everything inside the parentheses. The sum of a number and 3. Whenever we use the word sum or difference or quotient or product, that word will always come first, and then we're going to say what we're adding together or multiplying together or dividing or subtracting. So we put the and in between the two things that we're doing that operation to. If we move over, I could write a number squared decreased by 5. Now down here, because it is in the parentheses, again, we must be super careful. We could write 3 times, we're talking about subtraction inside parentheses, so the difference of a number squared and 5. So for our next problem, we have almost exactly the same thing as above, but this time we have an equal sign. So we can start with 3 times the difference of a number squared in 5. That takes care of the left side. We have the equal sign, so we can say either equals or is. And then the right side would just be 9. Now we're going to go the opposite direction. Whenever you see the word than, it causes the order to switch. So it's our switch word. When we see 4 less than a number x, we know less is subtraction, and the than is going to make it switch. So I'm going to take the 4 and put it in the back. I have my minus sign in the middle, and x is going to go first. 5 more than the square root of a number. So again, than is going to be a switch word. More is plus. So 5 is going to go in the back because this means switch. Plus goes in the middle, the square root of a number. And I could have put x in there. It didn't tell me what variable to use. 3 less than the cube root of a number is 7, I should say times. Oh, it's just supposed to be 7. That got added somehow. So 3 less than the cube root of a number is 7. So less than, subtraction with our flip. So I'm going to have minus 3. This comes in front, so cube root of a number, so we could use x, is your equal sign, 7. So when we see twice the difference of a number and 2, means 2, because we know that means 2 times. Difference usually means subtraction inside parentheses. So 2 parentheses, a number, so x, and 2. The symbol, the subtraction symbol, goes where the word and is. We have 4 times the sum of a cube of a number and 1. So sum means parentheses with addition. The addition symbol goes where the and is. So 4 times, so 4 parentheses, cube of a number. I see the word and, so that's my addition sign, 1. And then twice means 2 times. The absolute value of the difference of a, oh, that just printed weird, of a number in 5. So we get 2 absolute value difference. So that means subtraction. Usually inside parentheses, and that's going to be where the and is. Because I have the absolute value bars, I don't necessarily need the parentheses. I could put them in. It wouldn't change the problem, but you don't have to.